Picture yourself waking up today with just 100,000 naira in your bank account. What if I told you exactly where to plant that money in real Nigerian stocks that are already on the move? And a few years from now, you are sitting on something that quietly changes your life. No hype, just smart play. That's where we are diving in today, and you can't afford to blink. Hey friends, my name is Coach David Efsiba, your money teacher, your real talk teacher. In today's video, we are getting deeper into 5 Nigerian stocks you should seriously consider right now before they blow up. And by blow up, I mean growth that surprise you in the best way. Alright? We are not talking about random picks or flashy trends. These are real businesses making real moves in 2025. Perfect for salary earners, everyday investors who are over grinding paycheck to paycheck and just want something to work for them. You are tired of keeping your money in the bank. I used to tell people in my community, you become more poorer when you are financially ignorant. You become more poorer when you keep saving. The only way that money grows is through investment. Before we get started, do me a favor right now, guys. Smash that notification icon so that you never miss one of these deep dives. And anytime I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to see it. So when you comment on our videos, what algorithm does is to spread it for more people that need to be in this financial community. All right? And also, don't forget to join our stock market masterclass community. Hit the link in the description or the comment section. That's where we go deeper. The watch list, live feedback, and how to build wealth step by step, guys. So let's go, guys, into today's video. The number one on our list is Wema Bank. I love this bank so much. Wema Bank is actually trading at 22 naira 75 kobo right now. Let's kick things off with Wema Bank, trading around 22.75% as of August 18, 2025. Early this year, it was sitting below 10 naira, but now it's up by 150% year to date. And get this, it hit an all-time high of 25 naira in the early August. You beat inflation if you invest into this company. Why does that matter actually? Because when a bank stock surge like this, it's telling us the company is generating serious value, or at least that investors are dialing in, guys. Digging a bit deeper, guys, Wema Bank's capitalization is now roughly about 487 billion, which is a staggering of 264% increase over just 1 year, guys. They are trading 12 months, which is TTM, and EPS is around 26.7. Yes, you heard that right. The PE ratio comes in under 3. That's aggressive growth with decent earning to back it up. What this means for you guys, think of Wema Bank as a high-speed train you want to board early. Solid earning, insane performance, and still not blown open. For someone with 100,000 naira, this could double or more in just 6 to 12 months. The number two on our list right now is Dangote Cement. When you are investing, you are not just investing into shares, you are investing into companies. Dangote Sugar is currently around 55 naira 95 kobo. As at the time I was doing this video, let's talk about it right now. All right, the stock is down about 27% from its 52-week high of 75 naira in late July. But here's the interesting part, guys. It's still a major consumer staple, right? Whenever you are buying shares, see it beyond just buying shares. See it as a business. A lot of people consume sugars. People use sugars to bake, to do a lot of stuff. Now the company is actually showing losses with a 12 traded month and EPS around minus 6 naira. For the first quarter, EPS was minus 195 on paper. That looks alarming, but let's dig deeper. Revenue soared by nearly 51% in 2024, reaching over 665 billion from 441 billion the previous years. Their mid-year numbers for 2025 shows continual revenue growth of around 50%. What this means for you, Dangote Sugar is a stable that took a hit, but people still buy sugar. When a company with deep consumer roots dips like these guys, it's a potential value entry if you believe their revenue rebound will show up in profit later. In plain talk, guys, it's like getting essential items on sale that people will keep buying. The number three on our watch list right now, before we even talk about it, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. What happens is that when you comment and also when you like, when you watch this video till the end, algorithm pushes this video so that a lot of people can also benefit from what you are sharing here. Thank you for doing that. So let's go to the number three stocks on our list right now. CI Leasing is trading around 7.40 kobo right now, right? So that's almost 96 growth since the start of the year when it was around 3.77 kobo. So let's break down the fundamentals. The 12 traded month and the EPS is around 0.54, which is 54 kobo. The PE ratio around 13.3, and their annual dividends right now is around 10 kobo, giving you about 1.3 yield paid annually with a S dividends in August. Also, their gross earning for 2025 is sitting around 36.7 billion, up to 64% year on year. What does this mean to you guys? These ones, the whisper mode, quiet, solid fundamentals, strong momentum. If Wema is the bullet train, C and high leasing is that reliable computer train. It's not flashy, guys, but if you are in it for consistent growth and some dividend, it's a safe seat. If you are loving this video, like, comment, let me know if you are buying any of these shares, right? The number four on our list right now is Cutix. It's sitting around 4 naira right now, right? So starting the year around 2 naira 10 kobo. That's about 90% upside already, guys. I'm loving this. I'm loving this company so much. They are 12 traded month and EPS is around 15 kobo. Their market cap is about 28.2 billion. Revenue now is around 15.77 billion. Their PE ratio sits around 27, which is actually below industrial average of 28.8. Dividend yield around 2.5. So what does this really mean for you guys? Cutix give exposure to manufacturing and infrastructure sectors, fields that move slowly but build strong fundamentals. Small entry, healthy upside, dividend income, great for diversifying in your portfolios. Actually, don't forget to subscribe right now, like, comment, let me know if you have any of these shares in your portfolio. Number five on our list right now is First OD, which is the last stocks in this video, popularly known as First Bank. Is sitting around 32 naira 85 kobo as of the time I was shooting this video, about 17% year to date, and ranking about 105th on Nigerian Stock Exchange performance. So what's up? Annual dividends of First Bank is around 60 kobo. So now let's move to their Q2 2025 EPS drop to 2 naira 35 kobo from 4 naira 32 kobo in Q2 2024. But full year of 2024 EPS means earnings per share, was very healthy, which is about 18 naira to 20 naira range. Analysis up its target price to about 32 naira 98 kobos, and sentiment is actually improving. What does this actually mean? This is your anchor. Legacy trust, dividend payouts, long-term reliability, guys. Yes, Q2 deep, but the company still proved strong in 2024. A stable bank play in your portfolio to smooth out volatilities. Let me tell you guys, First Bank is a very good bank that has been in Nigeria for over 100 years. It is very hard for them to go out of the market. So all this fight you are seeing between Otedola and the other guys is just temporary, right? So don't just buy one stock, mix it, start small and grow big, right? So here's how I'll miss your 100,000 naira if you ask me today. Wema Bank, I'm going to do 30% for big growth potential. Dangote Sugar, I'm going to do 20% defensive, consumer stable at discount. C and high leasing, I'm going to do 20% of my 100,000 naira because steady growth, reliable fundamentals. Then Cutix, I'm just going to put 50% of that 100,000 naira into it. Small car with manufacturing exposure and yield. So for Fosco, I'm just gonna do 15%, dependable return and long-term stability, guys. If you're loving this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So that gives you a balanced portfolio of bold moves, safeguards growth, values, income, and security. Listen, you don't need to be a millionaire to invest wisely. You just need clarity, guys. Consistency, a bit of courage. Start with what you have: 5,000, 10,000, 100,000. Split it across these five stocks that I just mentioned. Track every quarterly. Rebalance if one is too hot or cooling off, and always keep learning. That's why I will advise you join our community, Stock Market Masterclass community, where we discuss about opportunities in the Nigerian stock market. If you want to join us, check the comment section or the description button. Remember to hit that notification button so you don't miss the next stock breakdown. And if you are serious, don't forget to join our community. That's where we go deeper. You also have chance to see our stock recommendations, and you can also ask questions. Whether you wanted to buy a stock, you can ask me questions, ask our community questions. All right, you got this. Let your money work for you, not just paycheck to paycheck or salary to salary living. See you in the next video. My name is Coach David Efsiba, your money teacher. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you.